On this video presentation, I'm in the second day back to Gledhill. So this is the Gledhill area, and then I'm going to work on this house, Croft House, which is over there. So that's the area where I'm going to work today with my team. And then this is the system which I will install with my team today. So this is a brand new Gledhill Pulsa coil thermal store. Comes with accessories. So then I have accessories around here, timer, filters and everything. Două minute, te rog. Da, jos. Da, cineva e acolo. 2 minute, dăm 2 minute. So this is the thermal store with accessories, with brand new timers, filters, and then if you guys live on this area, which is Gledhill, and you have one of these cylinders which need to be installed, please call my number or visit my shop, and then I can come out to help you. Thanks for watching, and then I will update you soon with this installation.